Hey guys, what's going on? It's Karl here, back with another episode, and you can see this one's very special, as they all are. We got a box over from OnePlus. You can see Never Settle. My assumption is we've got the OnePlus 7T inside. We'll do an unboxing and showcase OnePlus's latest flagship. Beautiful box, by the way. So the 7 Pro, which didn't come out too long ago, I think that didn't sell as good as OnePlus wanted. And this time around, they're just going with the 7T. And you can see here, this is the user manual. This is the 7T, yep, I just said that. And inside we've got a couple different things. Let's go off to the right first. This, I believe, is a moleskin. We'll actually add that to the collection. That's a very nice prop. That was not planned at all. We've got the collection of cases, and you can see from the back already, we're going towards a new redesign on the back for the camera. Circular. Looks similar to the Vivo Nex 3, the new Mate 30 from Huawei. Interesting. And I'm assuming on this side is where the actual device is. Let's put that off here for a sec. Underneath, we do have the Bullets Wireless V2s. I already have a couple pairs of these, so I'll be giving this away. I won't even take this out of the box. It will be sealed. Just leave a comment down below. I always hook you guys up with some goodies. And I actually love this design, and I'll read this out to you. This is the OnePlus 7T. It's the culmination of all our design and engineering efforts, and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. So you can see OnePlus on the top. As expected, an invitation letter, some stickers, of course, user manuals. This year around, they don't have an official launch, I guess, in North America. I believe there is one in Europe. And here, of course, is the actual device. Let's stick that off to the side. You see that actual camera bump there, which kind of confirms everything. We've got a clear case and, of course, the charging brick, which this time around has been improved. Before we had Warp Charge 30, now we have Warp Charge 30T, and you actually get 70% of juice in just 30 minutes of charging. So that's really dope. I've always loved what OnePlus does with their charging game. I think it's the right way to go. And this, of course, is what you want to see, the actual device. They've gone for a frosted glass back. So this is the Glacier Blue. They also have it available in just silver. Let's boot up the display, and finally, we have the best feature coming from the 7 Pro. That's, of course, that 90 Hertz refresh rate, and that's a huge thing. And with this guy now fully on, the thing that I missed the most from switching to, say, the Note 10 Plus, even my latest iPhone, that 90 Hertz refresh rate is just so nice. It's one of those features, once you have it, it's very hard to lose. And it's nice to see now it's coming to the standard 7T. And I think OnePlus really looked at their sales of the Pro, how it did so well. It was priced really high. This time around, we've gone back down in price. This guy now is $599 US, $799 if you're up here in Canada. Our dollar is just shit. But that's just way more competitively priced than the Pro models we saw a couple months ago. So I'm super stoked. I'm gonna be switching back to this guy. A couple new features design-wise coming to the 7T. If you take a look at that little teardrop notch for the front-facing cam, that's actually gone down by around 31.5%. That just increases the screen to body ratio. You no longer have those rounded edges, which I know everyone wasn't a fan of, so you don't need to worry about accidentally pressing things on the side of your device. You've got the Snapdragon 855 Plus, that triple lens setup. The main sensor is 64 megapixels. I'll take a couple sample shots, include them into this little review. Let me know your thoughts about the brand new OnePlus 7T. I think a lot of people will be happy about that new pricing. We're not seeing those ridiculous $1,000, $1,500 price tags for flagships. If you want to see this guy as a potential other giveaway, in addition to the Beats Wireless, let me know down below. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I will catch the rest of you in one of my next episodes or vlogs. Peace.